Hi, today we want to make a quick demo on how to use the Nano screen guard. As you can see, this is the Nano screen guard. We have them in these sizes of 3 ml each, and this is how it works. You simply apply it to the screen of your phone, and after the application, it makes the glass of your phone more hardened than usual. Okay, this is not magical. It has some very strong chemicals that make this work. Now, talking about the hardening becomes more harder than your regular or conventional glass protectors that you use, and it truly works. So let me take you through a demo on how this works. Okay, this is my phone. This is a Xiaomi or Redmi 5A. So we are going to apply this Nano to my phone so that you can see how it works. Alright, so let's step one. Okay. Alright, so here we have this is the actual Nano liquid. Here we have the accessories you use to clean up the phone. This is the wet, this is the dry, just like normal. So we take out the wet first to clean up the screen of the phone. Okay, clean up the screen of the phone. So after cleaning up the screen of the phone, just to clean up the dust, the dents, and what have you that are on the phone. So after cleaning it up, you can see the dents on the phone, the screen, just to make sure it's clean. And after cleaning it up, and sorry, you keep this. Use the dry to wipe the water from your wet cleaner. Okay. I forgot to tell you that this liquid is also anti-scratch. It's an anti-scratch, anti-breakage, and I say anti-liquid as well. Alright, so this is the Nano. You simply open the Nano liquid, then you simply pour it on the screen of the phone. Okay, let me make it more closer. Pour it on the screen of the phone gradually. I choose to apply mine like this, so you can just choose to apply it the way it will be good for you. So just pour it on the screen. Make sure it goes round. Make sure it goes round. Okay. Make sure it goes all around the phone. Okay. Make sure it goes round. Now, if your phone is of bigger screen, you can use 2 for best results. And also make sure you apply at the camera lens, because it also has glass at the lens. Your phone lens comes in glass as well. So after application, you wait for like 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we have to clean the phone. You simply clean it. As you can see, the phone is coming out brighter than it was. Okay, it's coming out brighter than it was. So this is simply anti-scratch. I'm going to get a scissors. I'm going to get a now let's try to know how strong this screen is. Now we have applied the Nano liquid So let's try scratching it with this tornado, short tornado nail. Basically apply, scratch it. Phone has become anti-scratch. It has become anti-scratch. Okay, now scratching, I see. Alright, you simply scratch it. It has become anti-scratch. Okay. Alright. So it's normal then. Now I want to hit it. I don't have a hammer here, but let's just try with this. Alright. So this tells you this nano really works. I'm hitting it with a stapler. Okay. It really works. Alright. You know, but when your phone have some kind of accidental faults that make your phone screen crack, not anymore with this nanoliquid. Alright, just apply the nano and you are good to go. So it protects your phone more than the regular screen guard, like the regular glass screen guard you just put on the phone. So nano is the way. So we have nano in a lot of quantity. You want any quantity you want. If you are reselling, we have good plans for resellers. So we have them a lot. So let me show you guys our stock for nanoliquid. Here is just the demo. Then here we have them in a lot of quantities, over 2,000 pieces. Okay. And we also we have wholesale prices for this nanoliquid. So just send a message. Our number will be displayed on the screen, or it's been displayed on the screen. Just send us a message so we can ship. And if you also want just for your phone, yeah, why not? We can sell single for you, but we just recommend you buy minimum 5 pieces so that you could get it at a better rate from us. Look at the phone again. No scratch. Okay, let me take it to a blank screen, maybe something like a white screen, so that you can see that there is no scratch. Okay, no scratch, no crack. Okay, no scratch, no crack.